Hello, my friends. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. I'm at the Pacific Ocean, and sometimes I just am amazed at God and the places He takes me because of the desires of my heart. Last night, He opened a door for me in Glendale, and I was preaching, giving the word to people that it was during their time after church of fellowship. And what was happening is they were wanting me to share about the flood, but I wanted to share with them first of God's faithfulness, and how when Bartimaeus came and heard that Jesus is passing from Jericho, the gate, and he was sitting there, and the friend said, "Be quiet," even though he was saying, "Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me." They were trying to quiet him down, and I love that part where he shouted even more, because he had a need. He wanted to ask Jesus of Nazareth to help him in his need. And when Jesus stopped the second time when he shouted, because Jesus knew where he was, but even though his friends had not taken him to Jesus, now Jesus calls him. The same friends that were saying, "Be quiet," they took him to Jesus. And Jesus said to blind Bartimaeus, Jesus was looking at him and he was saying, "What is it? What is it that you would want? Do you want me to do unto you?" And he said, "Lord, that I may receive my sight." The Father God knows what we need, but we have to ask. Jesus said He knows everything. He knows even the hairs on your head. But He said, "Ask and you shall receive. Knock and the door will be opened unto you." So we have to ask, what is it right now that Jesus is asking you? What is it you're crying out to me? "Jesus, help me. Jesus, have mercy on me." Is it salvation? He came to bring you salvation and to give you new life. Is it healing? He is our healer. Is it healing for your heart, emotional need? He will supply all your needs, physical, mental, emotional. And right now when I'm at the ocean, it is just an amazing place to be. I look at the skies, I look at the waters, and yes, a few days ago I said, "Lord, I'm going to be thankful for the mountains." But now that I'm here, wow, He brought me to the ocean. I'm here with two friends, and one of them is my sister-in-law, one is a friend, Aline, and my sister-in-law, Nora, and they were walking on the pier, and I said, "I just want to stand here and listen to the ocean." And I just want to encourage you. Cry out to Him, but then tell Him what is your need. Ask Him. Ask Him. He has promised to ask and you shall receive according to His will. He doesn't give us what we just want, but He gives us what we need when we ask. The Lord bless you today. What an amazing place to stand and listen to the ocean. Just hear the sound. Hear the sound. Lord bless you.